Okay, so just to run through some of the accessible features to do with the gym floor. The first one, if you'd like to walk with me, is basically the red pathway in the gym is always clear. So as you work around the gym, you have a figure-8 setup that's always clear. So whether somebody's using a wheelchair or they're using a walking aid or just need a clear pathway to walk around, it's clear to follow from a point of view of visual impairment as well. With the red-green contrast, it's very easy to follow, and it actually works the whole way around through the gym. So regardless of weights use or cardio use, you have full access all the way around. Okay. Just while we're here at the treadmill area as well, you see there's a fluorescent stripe always on the side of each treadmill. Okay. That way, again, for visual impairment, it deciphers the boundaries of which they can work on, as well as the handles and the setup, just to make it safer, to make it easier to use. Okay. So if you want to follow me, I'll just show you some of the dual access equipment just around. So from a cardiovascular point of view, dual access equipment includes the top machines, which is basically a hand bike setup. On all the machines, yellow colour suggests that it can move. So for anything that needs to be adjusted, it's clear and easy to see and easy to follow. This is highlighted by a yellow colour. Okay. Access wise with this machine, again, you see the yellow handle underneath, quick pull, and it comes straight out. So that way, again, somebody using their own wheelchair, rather than have to transfer chairs, which can be very hard on some people, they can use their own wheelchair, their own facilities, and literally roll up into the machine, and they have access from there. Okay, and again, we have numerous dual access machines, this being one, which will cover cardiovascular or fitness side. So from a weights training point of view, we have access as well. So again, if you'd like to follow me. So if we just bring to one of our weights machines here, this is a shoulder press machine. So it's used to help strengthen and tone the upper body. It can be quite good from a posture point of view as well. You see the yellow handles again show the movability of the machine. This guy just here, when pulled up, the seat will slide to the side. And again, a person using their own wheelchair doesn't have to transfer, they remain independent. It's very simple to do. They'd simply reverse into the machine, and from here they can work from their own height with a choice of handles. Depending on the range of movement that they have, it can work individually or two together. Okay. So other than that, we have some of the features on the machines, built-in features for, say, people with disadvantaged mobility, perhaps, if you come on over. So for example, on the recumbent bikes, some of the older ones would have had a continuous console, which you would have had to step over. But again, that's not suitable for everyone, so instead you have a simple step through to make it a lot easier to sit in. And again, your yellow handles depict where you want to move from there. Okay, so that's most of the features in here. Things like the rowing machines as well, which we passed earlier, they tend to be higher these days rather than on the ground, just to try and suit everybody. So from a paperwork point of view then as well, again, any paperwork in the facility, there's also a braille option, as well as a large print format. So from the gym point of view, you have a large print gym program. So rather than the smaller cards, everything is blown up a little bit easier to read, easier to see, just to boost the access. And that's really the whole point of K-Leisure here, is accessible to everybody, whether it be financially, physically, whatever their needs. So with the braille, again, we have price lists, membership options. It's all here if required, just to give options. So these can be copied, they can be handed out. Basically, people can take them with them, or they can use them with help of one of the staff members. Okay, cheers.